Hi everybody, this is Steve from Steve's Bees. A lot of people ask me how I do my field feeding with my honeybees. I picked up one of these bottles for making beer at the dump. I've got about 3 of them out through my yard. I basically open the valve just a little so it just keeps dripping onto a piece of burlap bag inside of a plastic lunch tray. I let it drip all day in 4 locations on this particular bee yard. It's a very easy way to put 7 gallons of sugar water in the hives in the fall so they can cap off their stores to get through the winter. So basically it just drips and the bees just keep feeding. It's coming in the evening right now. I'll probably be shutting it down in a little while. Hope this helps. Have a good night.